Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
हेल्थ टेस्ट की बात आती है तो मैं भरोसा करता हूँ इंडिया लार्जेस्ट डायग्नोस्टिक्स कंपनी एजिलिस डायग्नोस्टिक्स। खुद को टेस्ट करते रहो।
डायबिटीज एक ऐसी बीमारी है जो आजकल बहुत से लोगों को अफेक्ट कर रही है। हर दिन हमें कोई ना कोई ऐसा मिल ही जाता है जो डायबिटीज का शिकार होता है। खुद हमारे घर में भी काफी डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स मिल जाते हैं। जितना कॉमनली डायबिटीज के बारे में लोगों ने सुना होता है, उतना ही कम लोगों को डायबिटीज के बारे में नॉलेज होती है। तो चलिए पहले समझते हैं कि डायबिटीज में आखिर होता क्या है। आसान भाषा में समझे तो डायबिटीज में हमारी बॉडी या तो इंसुलिन बनाना बंद कर देती है या फिर उसे सही से यूज नहीं कर पाती। जब आप कुछ मीठा खाते हैं तब आपकी बॉडी उस शुगर को यूज करने के लिए इंसुलिन की मदद लेती है। अगर बॉडी इंसुलिन सही से नहीं बनाती या यूज नहीं करती तो शुगर लेवल्स बढ़ जाते हैं और इससे सीरियस हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं, जैसे कि हार्ट अटैक, स्ट्रोक, किडनी डैमेज एंड इवन डिप्रेशन। तो डायबिटीज दो टाइप्स की होती है, टाइप 1 एंड टाइप 2। टाइप 2 डायबिटीज ज़्यादा कॉमन है और ये उन लोगों में देखा जाता है जिनको वेट इश्यूज होते हैं या जो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव नहीं रहते अपनी डेली लाइफ में। टाइप 1 डायबिटीज थोड़ी सीरियस होती है क्योंकि इसमें बॉडी इंसुलिन नहीं बनाती, यहाँ तक कि हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूसिंग सेल्स को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है। वैसे तो डायबिटीज का क्योर नहीं है, लेकिन लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस, मेडिकेशन और ब्लड शुगर मॉनिटरिंग से इसको मैनेज और कुछ हद तक रिवर्स भी किया जा सकता है। तो आज के ईट राइट एपिसोड में हम बात करेंगे 9 ऐसी ड्रिंक्स के बारे में जो डायबिटीज में आपको हेल्प कर सकती है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Almond milk. Almond milk is a fantastic dairy alternative that is low in calories and sugar, making it a great choice for anyone watching their sugar intake. It's made from ground almonds and water and is often fortified with vitamin D and E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress, which can be higher in people with diabetes. The healthy fats in almond milk can also help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage blood sugar levels. Second, green tea. Green tea is not just a refreshing beverage. It's packed with polyphenols and catechins, which are potent antioxidants known for their ability to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea can help reduce the risk of diabetes type 2. Additionally, it can aid in weight management, which is another crucial factor for those with diabetes. Third, vegetable juice. Fresh vegetable juice, especially when made from leafy greens like spinach, kale, or cucumbers, is low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fiber is particularly important for managing diabetes because it slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar levels. You can also add a splash of lemon or ginger for added flavor and health benefits. Coconut water. Coconut water is a refreshing, hydrating beverage that is naturally low in calories and contains essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. Unlike many commercial sports drinks that are loaded with sugar, coconut water offers a gentle sweetness and can help replenish lost fluids after exercise. Its low glycemic index means it won't cause significant spikes in blood sugar. Enjoy it chilled on a hot day or as a base for a smoothie. Berry smoothie. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not only delicious but are also low in sugar and high in fiber. They are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, making them an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels. When blended into a smoothie with unsweetened almond milk or Greek yogurt, they create a creamy, satisfying drink that's perfect for breakfast or a snack. You can also throw in a handful of spinach or a scoop of protein powder for an added health boost. Herbal teas. Herbal teas such as chamomile, ginger, or peppermint offer various health benefits that can be particularly useful for those with diabetes. Chamomile tea is known for its calming effects, which can help reduce the stress, an important factor in managing blood sugar levels. Green tea has anti-inflammatory properties and may help improve insulin sensitivity. Plus, these teas are naturally caffeine-free, making them a great choice for evening relaxation. Lemon water. Lemon water is a simple yet powerful drink that can enhance hydration while providing a dose of vitamin C. The acidity of lemons may help slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, making it easier to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Adding fresh lemon juice to water not only gives it a refreshing zing, but also promotes detoxification and supports liver health. It's a great way to make plain water more appealing, perfect for sipping throughout the day. Water. Water is a foundation of a healthy diet, especially for those with diabetes. Staying well hydrated helps the kidneys filter excess sugar from the bloodstream and supports overall metabolic function. Dehydration can lead to higher blood pressure levels, so aim for at least 8 glasses a day. If plain water feels boring, try infusing it with slices of cucumber, berries, or mint for a refreshing twist. Black coffee. Black coffee can be an excellent beverage option for individuals managing diabetes. It's naturally low in calories and free from added sugars, making it a guilt-free choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight and regulate blood sugar level. Research suggests that antioxidants found in coffee, particularly chlorogenic acid, may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. This means that adding black coffee into your diet could potentially aid in better glucose control. Adding these drinks into your daily routine can provide not just hydration but also essential nutrients that support overall health and help manage diabetes. Each drink offers unique benefits, making it easier to enjoy a flavorful, balanced approach to managing your health. I hope you liked today's video. Please like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, keep watching Fit Facts.